Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you a fun Valentine's Day candy bouquet using the new Dollar Tree bear vase. It is made of glass. It is so cute. I believe it also comes in pink. On the bottom it just says glass bear container. Super cute. Lots of ways to use this bear this year. You're also going to need some foam, some skewers. I didn't use any wooden dowels, but I had them out just in case, some decorative heart picks, and your favorite candy. We picked up the foam at Walmart, and my daughter just cut it to fit the little bear container or bear vase, and we pushed the foam in. Now we're using a little hot glue on some M&Ms, and I'm placing a skewer in the hot glue, then placing another pack of M&Ms on the other side, so it is sandwiched in. Then for the Reese's, I flipped up the flap on the wrapper, placing the wooden dowel in the hot glue and going to press the flap back over it. Same with all the candies. We had all kinds of fun candies, so you can kind of customize this gift to whoever it's for. You could also add a gift card to this candy bouquet if you would like. I am using Gorilla Glue hot glue sticks and Gorilla Glue hot glue gun, and I have mine on the low temp setting, so just be very careful when you use your hot glue. Let it all have time to dry. You do not have to make this just for Valentine's Day. These are perfect if you need to have a special gift for someone maybe that has just had a baby, someone that's not feeling well, or just maybe a new neighbor, or just because you care. This would also be a sweet teacher's gift. I am going to play some music now, but I just took and waited for everything to have time to dry, and then I just took the little wooden skewers and pressed them into the foam and just kind of arranged it like I would flowers. And I tried to have some of the taller, bigger things in the back and kind of make it a little bit of a rounded shape, but you can make it however you want. Just have fun and be creative.